What is eschatology? A biblical guide to the end times. Have you ever wondered what the Bible really says about the end of the world? Today we begin our journey into biblical prophecy, and it starts with one powerful word: eschatology. Welcome to Endtime TV, where we explore the mysteries of biblical prophecy and prepare for the return of Jesus Christ. In this very first episode of our Foundations series, we ask a simple but profound question: what is eschatology? The word eschatology comes from two Greek words: eschatos, meaning last or final, and logos, meaning word or study. Put together, it simply means the study of the last things. But this is more than just an academic subject. Eschatology is about the destiny of the world, the future of nations, the coming of Christ, and yes, the eternal future of every single person watching this right now. The Bible speaks often about the last days. Paul wrote in 2 Timothy 3:1, "But mark this, there will be terrible times in the last days." And in Revelation 1:3, John begins his vision with these words: "Blessed is the one who reads aloud the words of this prophecy, and blessed are those who hear it and take to heart what is written in it, because the time is near." So why is eschatology important? Let me give you 3 reasons. Clarity. God has not left us in the dark about the future. Through prophecy, he reveals his plan so that his children will not be caught unaware. Hope. Titus 2:13 calls the return of Christ our blessed hope. When the world grows darker, our hope shines brighter, because we know how the story ends. Preparation. Jesus told his disciples in Luke 21:36, "Watch therefore and pray always, that you may be counted worthy to escape all these things that will come to pass, and to stand before the Son of Man." Eschatology reminds us to live holy, watchful, and ready. In the episodes ahead, we will explore the signs of the times, the rise of the Antichrist, the rapture, the Great Tribulation, the Second Coming, and eternity with God. But today, I want you to take away this truth. Eschatology is not about fear, it's about faith. It's not about panic, it's about preparation. The Bible's message about the end times is not the end of the world, but the beginning of eternity for those who belong to Christ. So let me ask you this: are you ready? If you found this teaching helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Endtime TV, and click the notification bell so you don't miss episode 2. Why study the end times? Hope, warning, and preparedness. And share this with a friend who needs hope today.